How to change costumes in Solo Leveling Arise. In today's video, I will show you how to change your costumes in Solo Leveling Arise. So first, open Solo Leveling Arise and go to Character or Profile menu. You will typically find it in the main screen. Next, click on Song Jinwoo menu to access Jinwoo's character details. Once here, select the icon that has a hanger symbol. This will take you to the costumes selection screen. Now, you will see a list of costumes that you have unlocked or purchased before. Browse through your options to find the costumes that you want to equip. After selecting your desired costumes, tap on the Equip button. This will change your character's appearance to the new outfit. Once equipped, you will see your new character in the new costumes. Enjoy the fresh look as you dive back into the game. And that's it. You have successfully changed your costumes in Solo Leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.